Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to bypass iPhone 5 iOS version 10.3.4 with Ramdisk method. First of all, we have to flash iPhone 5 and we use CU tool, and I already connected my iPhone 5 with my laptop. Select firmware, import it. As I select 14.3 10.3.4 and open it and just click flash. As you can see, the process start, and after completing this flash we have to press power button for 3 seconds, then press home button and power button for 4 seconds and release them. Then it directly goes to on DFU mode. It will take 10 minutes, and my iPhone is in normal mode during flash. Watch the video carefully and step by step do the process. Do all the steps perfectly. You will not face any problem while bypassing iPhone 5 with Ramdisk method. As Checkra1n not support jailbreak in iOS 12.3.4, that's why we are using the Ramdisk method. Checkmate. As you see, the 80% of it is complete, and after 100%, just press power button for 3 minutes or 3 seconds. As you can see, I do these steps. press 3 seconds power button, then 5 seconds home button, and then release power button and press home button. As you see that my iPhone is connected, iDevice, it is in DFU mode. The next step is to connect your iPhone with Mac. Now friends, as you can see, I connect my iPhone 5 to my Apple Mac. I haven't Apple Mac, that's why I'm using Mac on my Lenovo laptop, Lenovo G50-70. Then we use the tool, Sliver tool, and I open Sliver tool, which is made by AppleTech 752, Sliver tool 5.4, and then clicked on SSH bypass, and then click on iPhone 5 and click on enter on DFU. It's ready to exploit. Just load the standard RD, select the standard RD. If you have any alternative RD, click load. As you can see, the jailbreak starts. Click OK, and then click on relay device info. Click on got it, and then click on delete setup.app. Click OK. Your iPhone will reboot, and after some seconds, your mobile is completely bypassed. Just see in my iPhone 5 screen. After this, my iPhone will start. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if any query, any problem occurs, then message me or comment me. Very simple steps to do the bypass in iPhone 7 using Ramdisk method, standard RD. Thanks to AppleTech 752. It will work without internet. And as you can see, my iPhone is completely bypassed. All the things are perfectly working. In camera, and just first we have to reboot it. Restarting is fixed on it. And as you can see, my iPhone is perfectly working without any difficulty. It is Untethered Bypass by Ramdisk method. Thanks to Apple Tech 752. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.